All right, now YouTube, how's it going there? It's early morning out here, and I haven't been able to make any wood in a long time. I've been really busy with deliveries, and as you know, I've kind of been under the weather behind a little bit. But anyways, most of that's behind me now, and we're back here at this poplar wood, and it was in the middle of the road. If you watch the videos, I got that all bucked up and moved out of the way. It's been sitting out here for almost a month now, so I brought my splitter back out here. I checked the oil level on it and put some fresh hydraulic fluid in it this morning to make sure that was okay now. And we're basically going to be splitting this wood here. I want to get this poplar wood split up, and I already did a little bit, but it was too dark for you to see, for the camera to see now. So I'm going to finish up this little pile here, and then I got another little pile of some ash that I need to split. And there's some walnut that can be split as well. So I'm not sure how much I'll get done today. I'd like to get all that split up and get a bunch of wood split up, at least 2 or 3 ricks of wood. And that's what I'm doing. So I'm just trying to get caught up on my splitting, and I can load my truck and then come back and pick the rest of it up later. You know what I'm saying? So let me get my splitter fart back up here, get my ear protection on, and we're going to split these big chunks of poplar wood. And I'll check back in with you when we're done, and we'll see how full my truck is, and then we'll go split a little ash, a little walnut, and try to fill this truckload up. So thanks for joining me now, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you enjoy this stuff, and I'll be right back with you in 2 seconds. So this is what I have left of that poplar wood. It's just some noodled down stuff now. It's not a whole ton of it. It's probably about a little over half a truckload, probably about 3/4 of a truckload. We'll see. So let me know what you think. I already got 1 row in there now, so that's probably 2 more rows, and then I'll have to do about another row and top it up a little with some walnut and some ash. So I'm gonna get on fired up now. Now there is some weird grain in this poplar wood. There's a buck behind me here now. Look at this. We got a deer. That's a buck with antlers there. I don't know if you saw that, but we had a nice little buck go by there. Okay, sorry about that now. There was a deer. It was only about a 3 or 4 pointer, maybe even a 2 pointer. He only had 2 little spikes. Might have been a 4 pointer, but there's some weird grain in this poplar wood. I don't know if you can see it. I'll try to get it in the camera for you, but see how weird that grain is? It's not real straight, so it's splitting kind of weird. A lot of them, they're breaking off on me a lot. I'm getting a lot of chunks that are break-offs. So anyways, it's not making the prettiest wood I've ever seen. But it will burn, and that is some good firewood. It's just a little bit wavy, a kind of a curly look to it too. All right, well, say what you will, but I just got to put this apron on. I'm getting filthy. I mean, this whole area is just going to be completely stained. So sorry about the lack of fashion, the horrible fashion statement, but I just feel a lot better with this on. It's really saving my clothes. I can't help myself. All right, everybody, I'm just going to finish up this splitting. We got about 9 minutes of me splitting already, so I'm going to work on this pile here. You don't need to see it all. There's really nothing that's outstanding or too crazy or weird. I like the weird stuff. And I'm going to fill in these couple rows here. I'll check in when I'm done splitting and show you how much we got out of this, and then we'll probably have to relocate, like I said, and do a little bit of walnut wood. And I got some ash up there in that pile. If you watch the video, a couple videos ago, I bucked up that ash on that piece of plywood up there. So I got to go buck that up too, and that'll be some nice dry burning wood. So stay tuned. I'll be right back with you. Okay, everybody, I got this wood all split up now. It's some pretty nice calfsoxula, about a full truckload. A little more than I thought it was. Probably about 3/4 of a truckload there now. So I'm going to be moving to this next pile, and we're going to fill in the truck here a little bit more. You can see, I don't even think I'm in the picture there now, but there's quite a bit more room. When I put the tailgate up, I'll be able to fill in this back row and mount it up a little bit on top and squeeze a little bit in between the tailgate and that last row there. So let's go move, and I'm going to split the rest of that ash wood that I bucked up last video. So we'll move over there, and I'll see you back in 2 seconds.
2 seconds later.
All right, now we're back here at this pile of ash wood. Like I said, that's all I got. Just a little bit here of splitting to do, and hopefully that'll fill in my truck. So now you can see what this looks like. There's still quite a bit of room in there. It's hard to kind of tell on camera, but that's still down a foot or so, and then I can squeeze some more wood in back here and kind of mount it up on top all down through there now. So let's just get going on this little bit of wood here. I'm going to split that up and see if I can't fill in my truck. Oh, there's another buck right there. He might have only had one antler. It was hard to see, but there is quite a few deer around here now. All right, I don't know if you guys caught that or not, but the wildlife is all over. Okay, I'm going to get going on this ash wood, and for those of you that are interested, I mean, you can see that's what ash looks like. That was a dead standing tree, so that bark's kind of starting to fall off and everything, but oh, there's another deer right there. How you doing? They're all down through there. Okay. I think I've interrupted the deer's breakfast, their morning little bedtime there. So sorry about that, but I got to do what I got to do. I'm trying to get some work done now. Anyways, as I was saying, there's a nice picture of what some medium-sized, smaller-sized ash wood looks like. It's very similar to poplar, the bark, but the bark on poplar, I think, just has deeper furrows, and after you cut it open and you look at it, you can tell that yellow poplar, and you know what ash looks like and smells like inside. So it's a little bit, they can be a little bit confusing, but especially once you cut it open, or if you can see the leaves on that stuff now, it makes it a lot easier. Okay, here we go. I'm going to get splitting this stuff up. So I don't think you guys need to see that now, but I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Hopefully I get my truck filled up there. I think that little pile will just about fill my truck in pretty nicely. So I'll sign off here when I'm done. Okay, everybody, now I got that wood all loaded up, and it is quite a load. I might have overdone it a little bit there now. It's really piled in heavy. I'm not going to be able to get my lid down, but that's okay. I can just drive slow on the way home. So there's all that nice ash calfsoxula, and it's a pretty nice load I got in there. That's probably almost 2 ricks of firewood. I really packed it in heavy now. So once again, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed the little video today. I didn't record all the splitting just because I got plenty of footage for a video, and it was just some normal little ash logs. I mean, I could have done it with my axe. I love that axe. The more I think about it, I'm just an axe man. You know what I'm saying? So I could have broke my axe out and just knocked it in half with that real quick, but I just went ahead and used my Power Connects there. So not a big deal, just some regular easy splitting small wood. You guys hang in there, have a good one. I'll see you next time.